We are live watching the coverage. Guys, we're clipping this for you in case you missed it. The jury is now entering.
Thank you.
We are watching.
For the record, the jury is now in the courtroom and the parties are present with their attorneys. Would the foreperson that the jury has selected please stand and state your number?
Number 19.
Thank you. Has the jury reached a verdict?
We have here.
Will you please hand it to the bailiff, and the bailiff will bring it to me?
I'm nervous.
Thank you. You may be seated.
Here we go. 71% of you think Gwyneth will win. Will she get her dollar? Or will Terry get up to $3 million?
Thank you. We'll now have the clerk read the verdict. You can just read the question and then the answer.
Was Gwyneth Paltrow at fault? No. Was Gwyneth Paltrow's fault a cause of Terry Sanderson's harm? Oh, no, skip that.
There's just no response there.
Okay. Was
No.
Terry Sanderson at fault? Yes. Was Terry Sanderson's fault a cause Gwyneth Paltrow's? Did Terry Sanderson's fault cause Gwyneth Paltrow's harm? Yes.
Show Terry.
Comparative fault. What percent of the fault do you assign to Terry Sanderson? 100%.
Yup.
Damages. What amount fairly compensates Gwyneth Paltrow for economic damages? $1. Signed March 30th, 2023.
Thank you.
Oh,
So to juror number 19, the foreperson, is this your verdict?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. And the attorneys have asked that I poll the jury, and so I need to ask each one of you if this is your verdict. This is not an unusual thing to happen. It happens quite often. So number 16, is this your verdict?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Number 11, is this your verdict?
Yes, Your Honor.
Number 8, is this your verdict?
Yes, Your Honor.
Number 2, is this your verdict?
Yes, Your Honor.
does this mean they
I've
all
already
agreed,
covered
Kurt?
number 19. Number 28, is this your verdict?
Yes, Your Honor.
Number 29, is this your verdict?
Yes, Your Honor.
And number 32, is this your verdict?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you.
So yes, they all agree.
So to the
Yeah,
attorneys,
so
is there
yeah,
anything further before I discharge the jury?
Because only 6 of them had to, is why I asked.
Right, exactly.
No, thank you, Your Honor.
Okay.
Thank you to the jury.
Let me just read you the last jury instruction. Ladies
You
and
did it,
gentlemen of
guys.
the jury, this trial is finished.
The
Thank you
truth won.
for your service. The American system of justice relies on your time and your sound judgment, and you have been generous with both. You served justice by your fair and impartial decision. I hope you found the experience rewarding. You may now talk about this case with anyone you like. You may be contacted by the press or by the lawyers,
She's doing a good job.
You do not have to
reacting
talk to
fairly.
them.
No big
or with
reaction.
anyone else.
Relieved.
But you may. The choice is entirely yours. I turn now to the lawyers and to the press and ask them to honor your wishes if you say that you do not want to talk about the case. If you do decide to talk about the case, please respect the privacy of your fellow jurors. The confidences that they may have shared with you while deliberating are not yours to share with others. Again, thank you for your service. You may now retire. And if everybody else would please remain here, we've got some things to do.
They did it. Wow. Bravo to Gwyneth's team. I got to say, we called it. I thought there was a minute that maybe neither would get fault, but I'm happy with the decision. We have Kurt here who's going to break down some reactions legally. But yeah, because only 6 of them had to do this. So therefore, that was unanimous, or would they have said that, Kurt?
May be seated.
No, that's what if they
So,
would have said no when they were polled. So they all said yes.
I've got a
so
few
it's
things I'm
unanimous.
going to do with the parties, and then I'm going to ask everyone who's still in the courtroom at that point to remain seated while the parties leave. So anyone who wants to be outside when the parties leave, please do that now.
Well, all right, they're going to do, what is this? This is just some basic stuff here, but yeah, there he is. Terry Sanderson has lost.
So,
We've
Mr.
covered
Owens,
this in
I'm
depth.
looking to you
We're
to
not a fan of this
prepare
man. We do
a
not believe this
judgment
man.
on the jury verdict.
Perfect.
Will you do that?
Yes.
Okay.
Can he just give her $1 right now, Kurt? I guess he wants to appeal her.
Formal providing of judgment, because you have a verdict, but no judgment technically.
Mr. Sykes, is there anything further for the court before the court adjourns?
No, my client just wants to say thank you to Your Honor for the effort you made to. Okay?
Thank you.
Just
Mr.
you.
Owens, is there anything further from the defense before the court adjourns?
No, thank you, Judge, and to all your staff and the bailiffs.
Let me just comment that I appreciate the professionalism that all the attorneys have shown and the parties, so thank you. This court is now adjourned. Thank
Could I
you.
let my client slip out before?
Yes, everyone remain seated while the parties leave.
I'm going to make a quick statement. Ms. Paltrow's not.
Was Terry
going
gonna
to
try and leave
a
with her?
statement today.
Ooh, she,
So you
what?
can make the statement outside,
I don't know what
Mr.
that, I
Owens.
don't know what that
do
was
that.
about.
Okay.
Wow.
I don't know if that was
She
I'm
said
sorry or
something to
but
him. That was
she said
surprising.
something. Yeah, very.
Oh, do you think it was mean? That was probably nice, but
No, it
was
will
probably
be
luck.
nice.
wow, that was the moment right there. All right, they're all gone. I got to do that replay. Let's see that replay.
Parties leave.
We need the
I'm gonna
lip
make a quick
readers.
Can't tell.
Statement. Ms. Paltrow's not going to be making a statement today.
So you can make the statement outside, Mr. Owens.
I will do that.
Okay.
She is not.
Statement, Ms. Paltrow.
Apparently.
Yes, everyone remain seated while the parties leave.
I'm going to make a quick statement. Ms. Paltrow's not going to be making a statement today. A quick
Wow, that
statement.
was
Ms.
weird.
Paltrow's
Yeah,
not
she seems.
gonna be making a statement.
I mean, is
I don't know
that
what that's all
normal?
about.
Is that allowed? Is that
No, it's-
strange?
It is very strange. It is extremely strange on every possible level.
Because I mean, if anything, you could say she's harassing him. No.
I mean, it's just weird. It is weird because you don't. I mean,
So you can make
don't
this-
know how he's going to react, particularly given the way that he's been described. Like you don't know how he's going to react to that moment. So I would not advise that at all. I don't know what that's all about.
Okay. Well, apparently there's a statement now coming from.
Statement's already ready.
I'm
All right, well
sure.
there you go, guys. There was a surprise there. All the best is what it looks like. All the maybe I think something along those lines is what I
think
will
that's probably
guess.
about right.
But we will do some
Yeah.
research and that we will get that story to you and upload that later if we get more definitive proof of what she said there.
Yeah.
But he didn't seem too bothered, but he definitely was defeated. But I think that was classy, but odd. All right, panel, thoughts on Gwyneth? She won. Thoughts on
Yeah.
her exiting that way? Did you like that? I'll go to you, Cam. What do you think?
I mean, I think it depends on what she said. I know that's not that's not the way that you're supposed to be, but I could see her having some compassion in some sense and trying to be like, all the best or thank you or something of that way. But it is surprising. It is surprising.
We will cover their statement there. In fact, we got lots more to talk about. We're not cutting just yet. So if you guys want to watch more, please watch more. But I'm trimming this one so you guys have our live reaction there. If you like our commentary, head on over to the full 8-hour video where we watched today. We had so much information. Thanks to all the new supporters, subscribers, supporters. You guys are incredible. Please support my panel here. Some amazing people that I hope you all will show some love. Go send a gift. We got It's Kim, Steph the Alternerd, and Kurt from Uncivil Law. They're all amazing people. Give them some time of day as well. And thank you all for watching this with us. 8 days of craziness. I'm glad that Gwyneth won this one. She deserved it. Even though I wasn't always a fan of her personally, I was a fan of her in this trial, and justice was served. But guys, we got more to talk about.